Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do share my opinion on lots of beauty goods and my tutorials and just honest reviews and everything that I love. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Click the button below. Don't be shy. And so today I'm going to do my initial review for the Makeup by Mario matte makeup palette and his light eye pencil. So I was really excited when I saw this. I mean, I think everybody knows who Makeup by Mario is, unless you're living under a rock, maybe. I feel like everybody knows who he is. He's, you know, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, and he does amazing work, and he has like master classes everywhere. So I mean, I was really excited when I heard he was coming out with stuff. And I really like that he's a makeup artist and he's not just like whoever coming out with, you know, a makeup line. So he really knows and understands makeup, I feel. So, yeah, let me get started. I'm going to start out with the makeup palette. So this was the packaging right here. And I like how he did the minimal black and white. It's really nice. And then when I took it out and it looked like this, it's nice white and black writing right here, and then it gives you the colors on the back. So yeah, I'm gonna open up for you guys. So here are the colors. I think it's a really nice palette. It's a matte palette, which I love. I love matte colors. And I like how it comes with a nice mirror. It's like a really nice product. I feel like the price is right. And the packaging is like super sturdy. They didn't cheap out on that because I really don't like when they do that. So it's really sturdy. I feel like even if this fell, like it would probably survive. Swatch some for you guys. So they're supposed to be really creamy and very blendable and buildable is what I read about them. So I'm just gonna swatch, like, let's do this one. Here's the pigment. They're very pigmented, and I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Look really good, and they're super creamy. Like they feel I don't know how to explain it, but like it kind of feels like smooth as like butter. Like, I don't know, they're just silky and smooth. Yeah, so overall, my first impression of this is super positive. I like the packaging. I like the color scheme, obviously, and I think this palette is pretty versatile. I feel like it's like kind of a timeless palette. You're never gonna not be able to use this. It's not like, you know, a bunch of shimmery fad-like colors, like not like things that are just in, but you're gonna use this forever, honestly. I'm gonna move on to the pencil. So here's the pencil. I think he had he came out with an eyeliner as well as like highlighters. It's like a whole collection, but I don't know, all the shimmery stuff I wasn't feeling. That's not my jam. I'm not into, they just seemed very like whoa, and I know I wouldn't get much use out of them, so I didn't buy those. And I really always wanted a really good like nude pencil, so here it is. And to my surprise, when I opened the packaging, it came with a sharpener, which is really nice. I didn't even realize that this was going to have a sharpener with it. And there was a sharpener in there, so that was a nice surprise. So I'm going to swatch it for you. So here's the color right here. It's very creamy. And I really like the color. I saw a video Mario was like, it's not too pink, it's not too white. It's just like the just right nude that he did for the waterline especially. And he was saying like you could even put this before your eyeshadow as like a nice base, or like I said, this is multi-use, so you could put it in your tear duct, your brow bone, and you guys will see how I used it. So I do want to mention that both of these products are well, the palette is The palette is gluten-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. The pencil is cruelty-free and gluten-free, so that's cool. I wanted to point that out. And then, yeah, so this is the look that I will be doing. I use this palette, and I'm using everything I showed you. So, I'm gonna jump, so I'm just gonna jump right into the palette. I'm gonna jump right into the palette, into my tutorial now. So all I have in my tear duct is actually some highlight. I just wanted to be extra today and put some highlight in my tear duct. So I'm just gonna use this to brighten it up even more. I mean, I know I really like my highlight, but I want to try this out. So I'm gonna put some under my brow bone, which she says that you could put some here, and then it is pretty creamy, so I do like that. And then put some in my tear duct. Brighten that up right here. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a big poofy brush. It does blend really nice. I really like that. It gives you like a little nice brow lift without the surgery. So, just blend it up. And then also my tear duct. Definitely has a nice brightening effect. So I'm gonna start off with the shadow. I'm gonna keep it really simple. I actually saw this look that, you know, I was inspired by Mario's look that he did on the Sephora website. Maybe I'll tweak it a little bit, but it's pretty like simple. So here's the palette again, right here. It's really pretty. And then start off with this color right here. And then I'm gonna do this and some pink. It's like a nudie pinky tone. So I'm just gonna put this all in my crease like this. I'm just using a Charlotte Tilbury brush. It's like the travel size kit. And then I'm just going to do this. I'm gonna bring some under my eye as well. These are going on really smooth, which I appreciate. Okay, then I'm gonna go with the darker, I can't talk. What the hell am I saying? Darko. The darker color right here. Okay, right in my crease. Just back and forth like a windshield wiper. Just build it up to your liking. So I do like how this is very buildable. I like buildable things. I kind of don't really like when you just get a crap ton of pigment and you're like, oh shoot, what do I do now? You know? I feel like when things are buildable, it's so much easier to control what you want to do. And it's not like a dictator product, like it dictates for you how much product it wants on your face. So I really like this. So I'm just gonna bring it out a little bit here. And I really like how this is popping out even more since I'm putting some darker colors on this, on my eyelid. Okay, that looks really nice. And then I'm gonna go with this nudie pinky color right here. I'm gonna use a brush like this and just pack it on. So these are really creamy, which I really, really like. They kind of feel like butter. So I'm just gonna pack this on. So I'm really just patting it on. I'm not like dragging it. This is gonna be like one of my favorite colors, I already know. Okay, so I love this. You can even use this up in here to open up your inner eye some more. It's really waking me up, my eyes. It's like, whoa, I'm awake. And then I'm gonna go back with a nice fluffy brush like this. And I'm just gonna smooth everything out. Gonna blend it all. It's just I'm doing a very like, nothing crazy, like subdued look. And yeah, I really like that. And I think I'm gonna go back in with this color right here. And just like a little bit of more dimension right in here. A little bit more. I don't know about you guys, but I go back and forth a lot when I do my eyeshadow to get my perfect look. Then I'm gonna go. Alright, so I finished on my eyeshadow, put on a little bit of lashes and eyeliner obviously, and then I'm just gonna go in with this in my tear duct just to really open up my eyes even more so. So can you guys see the difference? It looks really good and it's going on really smoothly, which I'm really liking a lot. Just the other eye. So here is the look, all complete. This is just a really nice, I feel like day look. It's nothing crazy, kind of simple. I just used like 3 shadows, as you saw, and yeah. So that was my easy look with this palette. So I have to say I had a really great experience as my first impression for this palette. I used it last night and I went to dinner around, I did my makeup around 6:30 and I came home around 11:30. So that's like 5 hours. And my makeup, my eyeshadows did not budge. They didn't move. It was just how as I left it when I came home. I wish I like made a video of this, but it was like super late and I totally forgot. Yeah, so my final verdict for this palette is that it's very versatile. I feel like it's timeless. You're gonna have these colors forever and you're gonna use them forever because they're just a really nice neutral base, and you're just never gonna not want to use them. I feel like you can incorporate this with so many other palettes that you have, so it's just like super great. I feel like it's just a good palette to have in your collection. And I think he did a really great job. Like I said, I really like that he's a makeup artist and he knows what he's doing, and obviously he's worked with 1,000,001 products. So I feel like when he formulated this, he was really like thoughtful about it, and I think he did a really good job. So I am gonna recommend this. I'm giving 2 thumbs up, and I really like the eye pencil as well. As you saw how I used it, you know, in my tear duct and on my brow bone and all that jazz, and obviously in my inner eye. It really makes a difference, even though it's like kind of subtle. I like it, and I really like how it's not too white, or you kind of look like it doesn't look like not very natural. It looks kind of weird. So I really like that about this. Yeah, like I said, overall I really recommend it. I haven't tried all the other products or anything. So much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I actually want to give a shout out to my loyal subscriber, Bebe. I always see your comments and I appreciate them. Thank you for all the love, and thank you for everyone watching. And I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.